Alright, what's up there, people? 100 Spoke Riders here, and I was just shooting a video in my Tahoe. My daughter rolled up on me, and we're going to shoot this quick video for her Chevy. Santa Claus bought her some new windshield wipers for Christmas, and we just got one on, and now I'm showing her the other windshield wipers she's about to put on her own. Alright, you happy you got new windshield wipers for Chief?
Yeah, so when it rains, I won't crash my car because I can't see.
Okay, now let's get the old one off.
Okay. Okay.
Flip it, pull it.
Pull this part?
No, pull the whole thing.
Oh.
Keep on. There you go. She's almost got it. Easy
it.
peasy.
Okay.
Okay. Now, no, she's not this tall. She's standing on the chair, people. Don't let her fool you.
Okay, so this stays in the middle, and then...
No. Maybe you got to flip it up.
Like this?
No, the piece in the middle you got to flip up, remember? It goes in and you push it out. No, no, no. Look at the other one. Look at this one. Remember how we did this one? There you go.
Oh, okay.
Like that. Now she's about to put it on there. Does it fit in there? Flip that little thing a little more. Push it, yeah. Push one end down. There you go. Push it in. Alright, now snap that thing down.
Okay, I think I got it.
Let me see. There you go. That wasn't hard, was it?
No, that wasn't bad once we finally figured it out.
Alright, now, the true test, well, I guess it's kind of dry, but the true test is we'll go test it out. You got the keys?
They're in the table, on the table.
Alright, we'll be back. We're going to go get the keys and test out her new windshield wipers. And I'll let you know. Well, I'll let her tell you what she thinks. Well, let me show you the old ones. This is how she was riding before, people. Yeah. Yeah. And guess what? She didn't know she even needed windshield wipers. Hold that there. Yeah. Uh-huh. Until it was too late. She had to ride home in the rain and pull over because she had bootleg windshield wipers.
Because of you.
No.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, she's going to go get the keys, and now we're going to test out her new windshield wipers. So I'll pause this right here. Okay. I'm just going to slowly pour it on there when you turn them on, okay? Got a cup of water. This is going to be funny. All right, you ready? Go. Looks like they're working good to me. What do you think? But you got new windshield wipers now. What was that?
I should have closed my door before you started.
All right. Anything you want to say to people?
No, I'm good.
New windshield wipers? Check?
Yeah.
All right, people. This is just a little update. See how my daughter's coming along. How do you like your driving experience with this old heavy Chevy so far?
You know, I've had my ups and downs, but so far it's been going pretty good.
Okay, turn the windshield wipers off. And now you're ready for the rain.
Yeah.
When it rains a few times a year here in Arizona. All right, say bye to people.
Bye.
100 Spoke Riders, signing out.